Hey you guys, Channel Cat coming at you. Excuse me. Real quick ammo score, nothing great. I did pick up some ammo at Dick's today, and I'll roll a little footage of that in later, but there wasn't much. But I did pick up some of this here. I'm late to the fucking party, guys. It is what it is, right? I picked up 5 boxes of this here Remington 9mm, 115 grain full metal jacket. You guys know the deal on that. It was on sale today for like $9.98, I think, on sale. You guys might have seen this shit already, but I was in there and I picked something up for my wife for Christmas, and I went back here and I was big balling up in that place with the 20% Ammo Mafia approved coupon, and I was balling and got up there. Old boy was bringing it up, so I whipped this coupon out, flopped it on the flopped it out on the counter. I was balling and all. But anyway, to make a long story short, there's the price. $9.98 for the stuff, and then you got the 20% coupon, so it made it $7.76, which we all know is better in price than Perfecta. So I picked up 5 boxes of that. God dang it! I wanted more, but you know what time it is? It's Christmas time. So I ended up spending about 75 bucks in there. So anyhow, that's that part of it. And on the way out of town, stopped at a Walmart, picked up one of these here $7 Paradox 2311 knives. That son bitch rolled in at $7, $7.60 out the door. Paradox 2311. So, yep. And that's that. And that's my